Let's have a quick revision of all permanent tissues in plants. Permanent tissues in plants are of two types.
Simple, having single type of cells, and complex tissues, having different types of cells. Now let's see about simple permanent tissues. They are again of three types: parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. These all are actually the stages in life of a cell. फर्स्ट इज पैरेन्काइमा. ये नए सेल से बने हैं, सो सेल वॉल थिन है. दीज सेल्स आर लिविंग सेल्स एंड सेल वॉल पतली है, सो सेल्स के बीच में स्पेस ज्यादा है. दैट इज लार्ज इंटरसेलुलर स्पेस इज प्रेजेंट. दे परफॉर्म द फंक्शन ऑफ स्टोरेज ऑफ फूड. If parenchyma has chlorophyll stored in them, they are known as chlorenchyma. And if they have air spaces in them, like in aquatic plants, which help them to float, they are known as aerenchyma. The next stage is collenchyma. अब cells थोड़ा और mature हो गए हैं, but they are still living cells only. But cell wall थोड़ा अब thick हो गई है, so intercellular space has reduced and it's very less now. They provide flexible strength to the plant, and so they are present in tendrils, stem of climbers, stalk of leaf. Don't get confused between collenchyma and chlorenchyma. The next stage in the life is sclerenchyma. Now, this tissue is made up of dead cells. The cell wall is made up of lignin and it completely fills all this space. So, there is no intercellular space. They make the plant part hard and stiff and provide strength to the plant. So, they are present in hard covering of seeds and nuts, husk of coconut, in stems, and around the vascular bundle. Now, let's have a look at complex permanent tissues. Complex tissues are made up of different cells working together to perform the same function. They are of two types, xylem and phloem. Both of them are present in the veins of a leaf and form the vascular bundle. Xylem is made up of tracheids, vessels, xylem fiber, all these three are dead cells, and xylem parenchyma, which is living cells. Xylem helps in the transportation of water and minerals. In xylem, tracheids and vessels make up the tube-like structure and helps in the transportation of water. And xylem fiber provides support. And xylem parenchyma, like every other parenchyma, performs the function of storage of food. Next is phloem, which is made up of sieve cells, sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem parenchyma, which are all living cells, and phloem fiber, which is dead cells. Sieve word means having pores या छेद. याद रखना, first say food, first say phloem, and phloem helps in the transportation of food in plants. So that was all about all the plant tissues. Want to learn about the epidermis of the plant?